god, you must be so drunk because you are so red. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. So I'm gonna show you how to kind of combat redness, or like if you are Asian, people call it Asian glow, Asian flush, but I don't want to stereotype being red. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a makeup trick on how to combat the redness, but this is just stuff that worked for me. So the secret ingredient is Pepcid. I don't recommend taking, you know, you're not supposed to be taking medicine with alcohol, but I've been googling this and no one wrote about when you're supposed to take it before you drink. If I take it like 30 minutes before, then like sometimes it doesn't work, so I have to take it like maybe 10 minutes before I drink, and then I would be like this. I did not take it today just so I can show you how like red I would be with the makeup that I'm gonna do. With the Pepcid, definitely I won't be this pink. One more thing, if I say the word so, you are gonna take a sip of your drink. This is Smirnoff, and then I just blended it with strawberry. I wanted a smoothie. First off, I'm gonna start off with primer. So I'm just gonna dot it and blot it all over my face. Now we're gonna use Dr. JART's color correcting treatment, and this is a must-have for canceling out the redness. For foundation, I'm using CoverGirl Outlast All Day. Usually I use like L'Oreal 24 Hours, but I ran out of that, so this kind of works. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light medium, and now I'm gonna blend it all over my face.
So then, why?
It is important to have a face powder that is your skin tone, so I'm using this one from Revolution, and the color is Banana. Using a colored powder will get rid of the redness and the green kind of tint that you used earlier from the Dr. JART. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Shuffle in medium deep, and make sure to contour, and that way you can kind of get a dimension and you don't look like you just have one color, because we do have a strong foundation, so we want to add a little color to it. We're gonna use Champagne Pop. It's like breaking. After tightening, you're gonna go ahead and put on false lashes. Hello, I'm back, and I curled my hair. And yeah, I also contoured my nose because like at some angles my nose looks like cricket or something, but so I have to define it because I have like this part, it's like black, or it's dark discoloration just right there, so it just unbalances it, so I gotta contour to make it balance. But yeah, this is the makeup look. Hope you like it.